Hi girlies, I recently discovered how you can alter your trousers at home, so I'm going to show you. I feel like alterations nowadays cost like kidney and a half, and all you really need is this hemming web from IKEA, which was 6 francs for 10 meters. So these are the trousers that we're working with. As you can see, they're just a little bit too long on me. They're not too bad, but I could definitely roll them up a little. So I threw on some Converse to use them as a guide so I don't make them too short. And so next I'm just gonna pin them where I think I want them to end on both sides. So what you wanna do next is turn these inside out and put them on an ironing board. Once you have them laying flat, this is the step where you'll need your hemming web and your iron. The first thing you wanna do is measure how much hemming web you actually need. So we need about this much, and you need 2 pieces, one to go under the top here and one to go closer to the edge. Okay, so at this stage we can take these out, and like I said, we want these to go under these 2 pieces of fabric, so we're going to slot them in. So the first piece of hemming web we pushed all the way down here, and the second strip is just going to be staying up here closer to the top. So all we need to do now is just iron this for about 10 to 15 seconds. So as you can see, this is completely stuck, and all you want to do is just repeat the same thing on the other side and repeat the process on the other leg. Okay, so I just want to show you what they look like now. Literally took me under 10 minutes and cost me pretty much nothing.